Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be exploring the 9 clear signs that indicate you're in ketosis without the need for testing. So, if you're curious about the amazing benefits of ketosis, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Ketosis is a metabolic state where your body predominantly uses fat as its primary source of energy. It occurs when you consume a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet, forcing your body to break down fats into ketones. While there are various methods to test for ketosis, such as blood, urine, or breath tests, these may not always be accessible or convenient. However, your body gives you subtle hints that you are in ketosis. In this video, we will explore 9 clear signs that indicate you are in ketosis, even without formal testing. So, let's dive in and discover the signs your body reveals when it's running on fat. Increased energy levels. One of the most notable signs of ketosis is an increase in energy levels. When your body switches to burning fat for fuel, it produces a more sustained and steady supply of energy compared to the fluctuating energy spikes and crashes often associated with high carbohydrate diets. In ketosis, you may experience improved focus, mental clarity, and overall increased energy throughout the day. Appetite suppression. Ketosis has a profound impact on hunger and appetite. Many individuals report a decrease in cravings and a reduced desire for snacking, leading to a calorie deficit and potential weight loss. Weight loss. While weight loss is not exclusively linked to ketosis, it is often a positive side effect. When in ketosis, your body efficiently taps into its fat stores, leading to accelerated fat burning. When your body is in ketosis, it releases ketones that act as natural appetite suppressants. Additionally, the reduction in insulin levels that occurs during ketosis allows for more effective fat mobilization and utilization, aiding in weight loss. Increased mental clarity. The brain's preferred source of fuel is glucose, which is derived from carbohydrates. However, when in ketosis, your brain seamlessly adapts to using ketones as an alternative fuel source. Many people report improved mental clarity, focus, and cognitive function while in ketosis. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who struggle with brain fog or cognitive decline. Improved physical performance. While it may take some time for your body to fully adapt to ketosis, once it does, many individuals experience improved physical performance. While carbohydrates provide quick bursts of energy, relying on fat stores can provide sustained energy for endurance activities. Athletes who have adapted to a ketogenic diet often report enhanced endurance, reduced inflammation, and better recovery times. Enhanced ketone breath. While not the most pleasant sign, many people in ketosis experience a distinctive fruity or metallic smell on their breath. This is a result of the increased production of acetone, one of the ketones that your body produces during ketosis. If you notice a distinct change in your breath odor, it could be a sign that you have entered ketosis. Increased urination and thirst. When you first enter ketosis, you may notice an increase in urination and a corresponding increase in thirst. This is because ketones have a diuretic effect on the body, leading to increased water loss. It is important to stay hydrated during ketosis to maintain optimal electrolyte balance. Alleviation of CARB withdrawal symptoms. Transitioning from a high-carbohydrate diet to a low-carbohydrate ketogenic diet can initially be challenging for some individuals. However, once you enter ketosis, you may find that cravings for sugary or starchy foods diminish. This can lead to a reduction in CARB withdrawal symptoms such as mood swings, headaches, and cravings. Changes in body odor and sweat. As your body adapts to burning fat for fuel, you may notice changes in your body odor and sweat. Some individuals report a reduction in body odor, while others notice a change in the scent of their sweat. This is due to the altered metabolic processes occurring in your body as a result of ketosis. Thank you for watching our video on the 9 clear signs you're in ketosis without testing. We hope you found it informative and insightful. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and remember, your journey to a healthier you begins with knowledge and commitment. See you next time.